In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize appearance on Slack. Customizing the way Slack looks is a simple way to make your workspace more comfortable, easier on your eyes, and more aligned with how you like to work. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can confidently adjust your theme and visual settings. Let's start inside your Slack app or Slack in your browser. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon, usually your picture or your initials inside a small circle. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your account and settings. From this menu, look for the option labeled Preferences. This is where Slack stores most of your personal settings, including notifications, language, and of course, appearance. Click on Preferences to open the main settings window. You should now see a new panel or window showing a list of categories down the side. Next, in that list of categories, find and click on Appearance. This is the section dedicated to how Slack looks and feels. Once you select it, the main area will change to show options related to themes, dark or light mode, and other visual tweaks. In the Appearance section, you'll see different settings and Slack will guide you with on-screen prompts. Take your time exploring these. For example, you'll likely see options to switch between light mode and dark mode. If you work late at night or stare at your screen for long periods, dark mode can be easier on your eyes. If you prefer a brighter interface, choose light mode instead. You'll also find theme options that change the colors of your sidebar and highlights. As you click through different themes, Slack usually shows a live preview, so you can immediately see how your workspace will look. Pick a color scheme that makes channels easy to read and helps important items stand out. Some versions of Slack also include additional appearance controls, like message display density or whether to show certain elements. Follow the prompts on the screen and read the short descriptions under each option. They'll explain what each setting changes before you apply it. Once you're happy with your choices, you don't need to save anything separately. Slack applies appearance changes automatically as you make them, so you can simply close the Preferences window and continue working with your new, customized look.